Yo, what's going on, everyone? People are just filing in. We still got 20 minutes till the puzzle drops, so don't worry, we got time. We're going to be doing Advent of Code Day 8 in 20 minutes, because that's when it drops. I was already streaming earlier today. I was doing Day 6 and Day 7, catching up, because I was out of town for the weekend. Yeah, that's right. What's up, Cthulhu? 2 streams in 1 day. Yep. I caught up on Day 6 and 7 earlier today, and that's all good. And now Bad Cop is going to be joining me. Oh, there she is. I know, I do have a life. Can you believe it? How lame. How absolute lame. But I'm home now. I am home. So now it's time to do programming puzzles. So, yeah, I was out of town for the last 2 days. But we're here. So Day 6 and 7 is done. Now we're going to be doing Day 8. I'll be racing Bad Cop. And that starts in 20 minutes. Duinovita. I don't know if I pronounced your name correctly in the YouTube chat. Hey, hello, welcome. Advent of Code is a ton of fun. Life? I might be stretching it, but no, Advent of Code is a ton of fun. Can you play any Christmas songs? I think I can. Her ridiculous golfing. Oh yeah, she sent me some of the golf stuff she did. It's insane. I have to make sure not to go on Twitter or else I get, spoiled. Not that I can read even what's happening in the golf, but, what are some Christmas songs we could do? What is it? Wow, I should have just been doing this. Of course I know the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. I know their version of it. It's the... Yeah, theirs is cool. Except, hold up. Theirs is more like this. This thing's not intuitive. I haven't played this in forever. Something like that. This is so out of tune. Oh boy, I should like actually amp this up. That'd be kind of sick. You've seen him a few times. That's awesome. I've seen him once when I was like a kid. You know what I mean? Like a long time ago. This is my first stream. Why are we tuning guitar? We got 15 minutes to kill before the next Advent of Code puzzle unlocks. So we're killing some time for the next 15 minutes. I love your videos. Yo, appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, sorry, I didn't expect you just to bust out a guitar. I get that. Used to have a 7-string Schecter, sold it and committed to an 8-string. Got the 8-string back there, buddy. I understand the feeling. 7-string is just what I go to like play around. You'll be on it too? Awesome. I'll set up the guitar sometime. Like I'll actually get the cable and like get it amped up so we can play it on stream. It'd be kind of fun. Yeah, it'll be fun. Sounds good, Big Hop. Ooh, it's so weird. Ugh, haven't played this in a while. Hi again. Yo, what's up? Welcome. Welcome. Yep, we'll be getting started in real soon. Ugh, my fingers are not as dexterous as they used to be. Yeah. I should relearn guitar. It'd be fun. I'm gonna go put this away. Yeah, it's funny you say that about the video idea, because I haven't thought about it with guitar, but what instrument do you learn first? I will answer your question right now. I haven't thought about it with the guitar because if I were to do anything with an instrument, it would be the one that I'm most comfortable with, the one that I learned first, the piano. Not enough keys. I ran out of keys. Oh, look at those fingers working. What's up, Henry? How you doing? Oh, yeah. Those fingers can move on that piano. Let me tell you that. Oh, interesting. Started with guitar. Now you're going to classic piano. So the opposite of me. No, I love piano. It's my favorite instrument. I love it so much. It's great. I'm all right. How about you? I'm hanging in there. We're good. I was just streaming for like 3 hours earlier today. We're doing coding puzzle challenges. So, oh, hold on. Now I'm gonna be racing a fellow creator named Bad Cop. So she's actually pinging me right now. Hold on, we're coming in. We're doing this. Yep. Stream together. I will accept. Let me get this all set up. Okay, I think that worked. How do I call on Discord? I have no idea how to do this.
Hello?
Yo, what up?
It's working.
Heck yeah. Okay, cool.
I have to turn you up a little bit because my hat makes it hard to hear.
I feel like you're a little loud, so this is fun. I
Oh,
love
nice.
audio issues.
I'm loud?
Oh, you know what? No, I forgot. I have a monitor. I control that separately from the OBS. I'm just stupid. Ignore me.
I need to set up my audio. I bought like a MIDI little controller that's got
Yeah.
like sliders on it like a year ago, and I've never plugged it in.
Oh my god, good luck with that. Yeah, I have like an audio card, so like I can control my speaker and my headphone volume separately, which is nice, but then I forget that's not what people hear on the stream.
Yeah.
Oh
It's gonna
man.
be so nice once I have it set up, but
I got your video on my stream. Look at this. So fancy. We're in the future now.
hold on. How do I curl Xmas stop? There we go.
You got it. You got it.
Oh no, why does it get messed up?
I'm pulling up your
on.
stream.
Me. Oh, well. It fell down.
Oh no.
How can I do this?
There we go. I got your stream pulled up. Ooh, wow.
How do I reload the tmux config?
I don't know.
Reload tmux config. I've googled this before. Source file.
Grok, reload this for me, please.
Basically, type it into Google and it's just Google Grok.
Google Grok.
Experiment snow returned. Oh no. Does it not know about where the experiment is? All right, hold on. We just gotta tell it. You go home, bad cop bin, and then do that reload thing again. Okay. Now I just need to curl your thing, and then.
I always feel like you're rushing to get things done before we start streaming. It's so funny.
I did it.
Very nice. Very nice. That looks beautiful.
That was a struggle.
Incredible.
Yeah, I'm rushing to get the thing done, but the thing that I'm trying to get done is the thing to like kill time until it's actually time.
That's crazy.
So it's
just
like sort of a weird balancing act. Yeah, look how good my little snow sim is.
Yeah, this is awesome. This is great. I love this.
Builds up and everything.
Does it eventually just like, is it just fully snow at the end?
Yep.
That's awesome.
I want to add a third layer that like can land on top of the text. Right now if you see there's like a little bit of a parallax going on with some of them. Some of them move slower because they're in the background.
Yeah.
And they fall behind the letters.
Oh my god,
So
that's
like
adorable.
Will fall behind the letters. Missed that plus sign. But if I add like a middle layer that can land on top of the text, that would be kind of cool.
Oh my god, that'd be awesome. Yeah, that's a cool idea.
Yeah, this program is cool because like I was working on it with someone else, or rather someone else was making changes to it live on stream, Maysaka on Twitch, and we were joking that like this program is essentially a terminal. Like I've accidentally remade a terminal in the terminal. I don't know.
I mean, that makes sense. Like the way tmux works is by creating a pseudo terminal.
Yep, tmux is also essentially a terminal.
Yeah.
So there's like 3 layers of terminal running here.
I don't know. Seems fine to me. That's awesome. That's really cool.
Yeah, it just parses it all into one big grid, and it tries to figure out like, okay, what's the color of each cell and like what's the background color and is it underlined and all these things.
Gotcha. Oh man, that's so fun. Where? I mean, I assume it's on your GitHub, right?
Yeah,
Okay, awesome. I want to check this out.
it's not in Bash. I'm sorry.
What? What is it even in?
Rust.
Oh, I mean, it's awesome. Rust is awesome. Now, I mean, I noticed my thing isn't animated while this runs. Now, to have my
Yeah,
tree be animated would be
so-
unreal.
Currently, it just takes one. So I, okay, the program takes input from standard in,
Yeah.
but the way I get that input is I use Tmux's like capture pane thing. So it's like taking a snapshot of what's on the screen
Okay.
and then loading that in. I don't have a way to like stream. I feel like it wouldn't run very well if it was also streaming in like because the main point of the program was to do the sand simulation, so it wouldn't make sense to take inputs anyways because the grid is getting too
I gotcha.
changed. Is everything not a file but a terminal instead? Everything is a terminal. Tmux is a terminal. Term sand is a terminal.
I mean, it really is. Oh, wow! It just piles up. That's so funny.
we're running out of tree.
How much time do we have left? Oh, we got 3 minutes still.
Maybe it needs to like slowly melt and turn into a water sim.
Oh, that'd be cute.
Or that could be an input or something.
I would just want to flag like max levels, like Tetris. Once a thing is cleared, I only want like 3 full lines. Once there's 3 full lines, delete one.
Yeah, doing like a Tetris clear would be kind of funny.
Mm-hmm. Have a score.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go. Ash in my chat says, make a sun come out, melt it, and then snow again. So there's no shortage of ideas she'll give you that are just time consuming to implement, but would be really cool.
I do want to make, because right now the snow is a flag that you pass to it.
Okay.
And it's like currently set up to be mutually exclusive with the sand simulation, but there's no real reason that they have to be mutually exclusive.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So I think I'm going to set it up so you can have, once we have one of the infinite modes working for the sand. Mesaka made a bunch of cool features, but I'm still waiting for a PR. People are redeeming things, but I'm the only one seeing them because they're happening on my other terminals.
Oh.
Because this like blocks the queue.
Gotcha. Oh, that's funny.
No, it is started. The thing is running. It just won't run in this terminal because there's already a pop-up.
Oh, we got 1 minute.
All right. No more messing around.
Gotta lock in.
Yeah. Let me check the license on my repo real quick. Public domain. All right. That's good.
That's smart. I should actually put a license in mine. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, I use for this repo. It's the unlicensed.
God,
kind of a cool one.
UPL or whatever it is.
It's just like do whatever. I don't care. It's not my code. It's everyone's code.
Yep. All right, oh, 25 seconds. Oh boy. Get ready, chat. We're about to lock in. We're going to be doing Advent of Code 2025, Day 8 in 15 seconds. Bad Cop and I will be racing. If you're watching Bad Cop stream, shame on you. You should be over here. No, I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
All right,
Okay,
here we go. Good luck. All right, chat, she's muted. It's time for us to do this. We're in a race. Writing this a bash. Here we go. Day 8, Playground. Equipped with a new understanding of teleporter maintenance, you confidently step into the repaired teleporter pad. You rematerialize an unfamiliar teleporter and find yourself in a vast underground space which contains a giant playground. Across the playground, a group of elves are working on setting up an ambitious Christmas decoration project. Okay, their plan is to connect the junction boxes with a long string of lights. Most of the junction boxes don't provide electricity, however. When 2 junction boxes are connected by a string of lights, electricity can pass between the 2 J boxes. Okay. The elves are trying to figure out which junction boxes to connect so that electricity can reach every junction box. They even have a list of all the junction boxes positioned in 3D space. Oh, 3D this time, guys. I'm scared now. So let's go ahead and copy that. Let's see. This list describes the positions of 20 junction boxes, 1 per line. Each position is given an X, Y, Z coordinate. So the first junction box in the list is X at 162, Y equals 817, 812. Okay, we got a 3D puzzle now. To save on string lights, the elves would like to focus on connecting pairs of junction boxes that are as close together as possible according to straight line distance. We're going to be using Euclidean distance. Okay. In this example, the 2 junction boxes which are closest together are these 2. Okay, by connecting these 2 junction boxes together, because electricity can flow between them, they become part of the same circuit. After connecting them, there's a single circuit which contains the 2 junction boxes, and the remaining 18 junction boxes remain in their own individual circuits. Okay, now the 2 J boxes which are closest together but aren't already directly connected are these 2. After connecting them, since it's already connected to another junction box, there is a new single circuit which contains 3 J boxes and an additional 17 circuits. Okay. The next 2 J boxes to connect are these 2, and after connecting them, there's a circuit containing 3 J boxes, a circuit containing 2 J boxes, and 15 circuits containing just 1. Okay, the next 2 J boxes are this. Because these 2 J boxes were already in the same circuit, nothing happens. This process continues for a while, and the elves are concerned that they don't have enough extension cables for all these circuits. They would like to know how big the circuit will be. After making the 10 shortest connections, there are 11 circuits. 1 circuit with 5 J boxes, 4 J boxes, 2 and 2, and whatever. Okay. Your list contains many J boxes. Connect together the 1,000 pairs of J boxes which are closest. Afterwards, what do you get if you multiply together the size? Okay. Wow. This is brutal. I don't think have we done a 3D space puzzle in Advent of Code yet? I mean, have I done it? Because I've only done 1 year of it. I've only done 2024 so far, full year. So here we are. Day 8. Example. Input.text. Let's go ahead and do that. Real input.text. Save that. Not sharing this part. Go down here. Get the puzzle input. There it is. Those are big numbers. Paste them in there. And we are good to go. Let me pull up what I have real quick. All right. Word count -L. Both of them. So there are 20 in the example and 1,000 in the real input. So we will just touch part 1, chmod +x part 1, vim part 1, user bin env bash. Okay, so we now have a part 1 script. We have to read that in. So let's declare -a jboxes. This is an associative array, and we're going to give it an xyz. While read -r. Nope. We're going to read the file, but we're going to read it separated by commas. While ifs equals comma, read -r xyz, do key equals x comma y comma z, j boxes, let's just call it map. Map key equals 1, because we're just storing a J box there, and then done. Okay, so now we have this. Let's var dump map. Let's go up here. Let's import var dump. There we go. Now let's run it against the example. So that doesn't work. I'm in Bad Cops Advent of Code. I'm not in my own directory. I'm in Bad Cops directory. How did that happen? That's so funny. That's so funny. Oh my god. Okay, luckily I'm competent on the command line. And if you too would like to be competent on the command line, check out my course that's coming out this month on YouTube. It'll be uploaded as a YouTube video by the end of the month. You suck at programming on YouTube. There you go. These are where all the J boxes are. Okay, cool. So we have their X, Y, and Z coordinates. We need to use the straight line distance. How do you calc that? So isn't it like square root of whatever, whatever, whatever? I pulled up the Wikipedia article just to make sure we're doing this right. This is what was linked in Advent of Code. It's for Euclidean distance. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's just the square root of the differences like squared, right? Am I stupid? Yeah. You have the P1, P2, and P3, all of those squared, added together, and then you take the square root of that, and that is the distance. So, like, I think that's how you do it, right? So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how we're going to do it, where you do, like, if we're going to take the distance between these two, you subtract the x's, like 352 minus 57, square it, add it to 342 minus 618, square it, this, square it, square root the whole thing. Do we have square root in Bash? We're gonna have to figure that out. Yo, Eric, what's up? How you doing? I'm in a race with Bad Cop right now. We're gonna see what we can do in Bash, but I am so ready for a 3D puzzle, man. This is exciting. I'm very excited. Do we have square root in Bash? I don't think we do. And you're right, Ash. I do need a Santa hat. Like, I do need that. That'd be super cool. Dude, I love getting my 3D on. I don't know if we have square root here. So how are we going to pull that off? I might have to fork out to an external tool until I can think of something clever to not have to do it. Yeah, this will be a fun thing to think about. Well, of course, I'm going to have to build my own square root function. That's exactly what I have to do. I have to figure out how I would actually do that. Because we have exponents, so, you know, why can't we just have the opposite of it? I could build my own little square root program. I think you could. Can you do it in BC? Can I, like, echo square root of 9? I'm totally, completely making up syntax. Oh my god, it just works. We might have to use BC until we can come up with a better way of doing it. Does BC take arguments? It doesn't, does it? Yeah, I don't know how to do that, so we might have to do this until we can come up with something more clever. Also, we're gonna have a problem if there's like, oh god, if two numbers are very close, but the floating point's like slightly off, the decimal's slightly off. We'll deal with all these problems as we get to them. Let's go here, and let's see what we have to do. I don't know, Eric, you're scaring me. What do we got here? It might be illegal, but listen, I gotta bring out all the stops when I'm fighting Bad Cop. She's pulling out the GNU core utils, so I might have to pull out the GNU core utils. Oh my god, wait a minute, in the YouTube chat. Can I raise it to an exponent of 0.5? Oh my god. No, it doesn't. I don't think it supports floating point numbers. I don't think I can do that. I like that idea. I'm gonna try it, but I don't think that'll work. I really, really like it. 9 raised to 0.5. I don't think that works. Wait. I'm stupid. Wait, no, I don't think it's going to work. I don't think it's going to work because I can't represent this number. Even if I did like 1 divided by 2, that'll get rounded down to 1. Or get rounded down to 0. Sorry. I don't think I can express it like that. Ah, that was such a good idea. Darn. There might be some cool math trick I can do here or come up with like a square root table or something. I have no idea. But wait. I don't actually need the distance. I don't need to square root it. I can just leave it as the really, really large number and treat those like the distance. And as long as I compare them all to each other, I think they're still fine. I think we're still fine. We might be able to do this without forking. I have to remember what to do. I also would like to focus on connecting pairs of junction boxes that are as close together as possible. So we have to find the distance between all of them. And then we have to do the 2 shortest. And then now the 2 junction boxes which are the closest together but aren't already directly connected are these. After connecting them, okay. This is gonna be tough. Okay. This is gonna be very tough. Yo, look at Eric. Look at Eric right now. Sabotaging me. Absolutely sabotaging me because we don't have a joined chat right now, so Bad Cop can't see these messages, so Eric is just slowing me down. Does he think it's gonna work? It is a root, and it's a square table. It is a... Oh my god. That's really funny. That's really funny. I hate that. That's so funny. That's really good. I hate that I love puns. All right. Let's lock in, boys. We got this. Let's get the distance of everything to everything else, right? So for I equals 0, I less than